Crypto is not only crumbling, but it seems that it is bursting at its seams and fizzling out. In a recent event, Prime Trust, which was once a very reputable and trustworthy company in the crypto sphere, has been put into the receivership by Nevada authorities. It was a really well respected company in the space for a long time, but now we know that they were corrupt and hollow. As the saying goes in crypto, never really trust, always verify. Now, what is happening is that Nevada's Financial Institution Division has filed a court petition to place Prime Trust LLC in receivership over financial troubles and unsafe operations. The division cited concerns about the company's insolvency and revealed that Prime Trust owes more than 82 million in fiat cash. Additionally, it was disclosed that Prime Trust lost access to legacy wallets holding cryptocurrency in 2021. The court petition also highlighted that the firm's financial state is unsafe, stating that it owed significant amounts to its clients and would be unable to satisfy all of its withdrawals. So there is a mad rush for the poor investors who are associated with Prime Trust. If you are too, and if you like, you can share your feedback in the comment section. Again, crypto is not bad, but the way you are using crypto is not good if you are holding it with these firms. Your coin, your wallet. Never trust, always verify. Thanks for listening.